Is your car suddenly struggling to accelerate? Or maybe it feels like it has gone into limp mode while a lightning bolt symbol flashes on your dashboard? This can be a scary situation, especially if you are merging onto a highway. You are likely dealing with code P2173. This code stands for Throttle Actuator Control System High Airflow Detected. In simple terms, your car's main computer, which we call the PCM, is seeing way more air entering the engine than what it actually asked for. Most modern vehicles, specifically from Dodge, Jeep, and Chrysler, use a drive-by-wire system, meaning there is no physical cable connecting your gas pedal to the engine. It is all electronic. When the computer detects this mismatch in airflow, it thinks the throttle is stuck open or broken, so it forces the car into a fail-safe mode to prevent the engine from revving out of control. This is why you lose power. You might also see related codes like P2172 or P2174. Now, before you go out and buy a new throttle body, let us look at the symptoms. Aside from the check engine light or the red lightning bolt on the dash, you might notice the engine idle is very rough or high. Your automatic transmission might refuse to shift gears properly because the computer is trying to protect the drivetrain. The most common cause here, specifically for American makes like the Dodge Caliber or Jeep Patriot, is a vacuum leak. If air is sneaking into the engine past the throttle body via a cracked hose or a bad gasket, the computer gets confused. Another common culprit is the manifold absolute pressure sensor, or MAP sensor, sending bad data. If you drive a 2007 or 2008 Dodge or Jeep, there is actually a known Technical Service Bulletin, number 18-019-08, that suggests the fix might just be a software update for your computer rather than a mechanical part. So do not just throw parts at it. Start by popping the hood and listening for a hissing sound while the engine is running, which usually indicates a vacuum leak. Check all the electrical wiring going to the throttle body for brakes or corrosion. If you cannot find a leak and the wiring looks good, then you might be looking at a faulty throttle actuator, but always check for that software update first. If you're not comfortable checking for vacuum leaks or using a multimeter to check voltages, this is the time to take it to a professional mechanic, because messing with the electronic throttle control can sometimes require a relearn procedure that needs a high-end scanner.